why Old Testament is difficult. This is a short PPT presentation to explain why Old Testament is difficult. Number one, Old Testament from Genesis to Malachi covers a vast history, approximately 4,000 years, from Genesis 1 until Abraham 2,000 years, and Abraham to Jesus Christ 2,000 years. New Testament is 50 to 100 years. So to understand OT is difficult because of this vast period. And there are many authors, and some of the authors we can't be very sure, like simple doubts come, like 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel. In 1 Samuel, Samuel died, then who would have written Samuel, like that. So many questions are coming, so we can't be very sure about the authors. Unknown geography. See, we are familiar with our places. In New Testament also we have different places to identify. In Old Testament especially, when we read Assyria, Babylon, Gilgal, Ramah, so where exactly these places are, unless we undergo a short course on OT geography, understanding Old Testament as a whole is difficult. And not composed in chronological order. It is not like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or January, February, March, like that. The 39 books in our English Bible or any Bible, Genesis to Malachi, is not composed in a chronological order. It is divided into like Pentateuch and the historical books, wisdom books, prophetic books, like that, based on a library classification. But chronologically, the Bible 39 books can be rearranged. For example, all the prophetic books from Isaiah until Malachi can be placed within 2 Kings 14 to 25. Of course, Haggai and Zechariah will come in the book of Ezra. If you want to read, you can Ezra 5:1 you can see. And probably Malachi can be during Nehemiah period. But overall, leaving the last three prophetical books, all the other 14 books, we can match it or fix it, keep it between 2 Kings 14 to 25. The chronological order of the prophetic books also not in the same sequence. A new believer, when someone reads from Genesis, when come to Nehemiah, and then comes Isaiah, may think, oh, Nehemiah came first and then Isaiah, like that. So understanding Old Testament is difficult unless we know the chronological order. So this is another thing. Then when we come to the prophetic books, many of the segments are fragmented. Fragmented means it is not grouped together. We read about judgment and sin, then we come to restoration, again we read about judgment. So it is not fragmented. So unless we know how to group all these things, it is difficult. The poetic texts, see, sometimes understanding the historical books like Exodus or Numbers, Joshua may be a little easy. But when we come to the poetic books and even the prophets, it is little difficult to understand. Multiplicity. See, one thing can mean many things. In Isaiah we read the prophet he was sent to Judah and Jerusalem. Then he says, O Sodom and Gomorrah. So unless we know all these things, it is difficult to interpret. One word may mean many things. For example, the day of the Lord. The day of the Lord, a simple term phrase in different prophetic books, in different chapters, in different verses may mean different things. It can either mean to destruction of Judah or Jerusalem, or it can mean it can also mean the destruction of their enemies, the surrounding nations, or the day of the Lord can mean the eschatological or the end times. So this is multiplicity. Then OT is not much taught in our usual Bible studies. We take some character studies, we take some promise words, Psalms we may read, but as a whole the OT survey or the chronological story usually not much taught comparatively. Then self-study quite difficult. Self-study is little difficult. It is something like physics, chemistry, biology or arithmetics where we need tuition. So sometimes New Testament when we read we will be able to understand like the Gospels and all, even Paul's letters. But Old Testament self-study it is little difficult. We need to refer to some OT survey books, introduction, book summaries, and someone has to teach. Okay, so that's why Old Testament is little difficult to understand. We need to have a short-term course or someone has to teach the Old Testament survey. See, normally in the theological colleges they study OT survey, pastors and other evangelists. But congregation, an ordinary believer, usually it is the Old Testament survey is not taught. We only teach different Bible stories. We directly go to the Bible studies. But a systematical study to understand Old Testament, we need the introduction to each book, introduction to the Old Testament as a whole. So these are the reasons why Old Testament is little difficult. We in Scribes Publishers, we offer several short-term OT made easy courses. You can contact us. Thank you.